So here we have the Acer Chromebook R11, and today we're going to do a teardown. Well, I'm not actually completely tearing it down because I can't undo one of the screws. But anyway, we're going to tear this down and reassemble it. So we'll do that right after the intro. To start off with, this is more of a disassembly than a... Now that I've got this camera going. Okay, so let's get into it. So first we start off by unscrewing the bottom screws. They're just small Phillips head screws, which are fine. They're not bad to unscrew. Hopefully I'm not getting my head in the camera. So let's just unscrew these. I'll shove them over here so that we have space for more screws. All of the screws in here are Phillips head. So yeah. So it's quite easy to disassemble if we just do this. And I might do a time lapse now, so yeah. Okay, so now after taking off those 11 screws, which took like 3 minutes, let's now take off the bottom cover. If it takes a bit of effort to come off, don't worry because, yeah, gotta turn it off. First thing you need to do is undo this ribbon cable, pull it out, and then pull it off. So here's our bottom cover. Yeah, your speaker port's over here. Yeah, you don't need to take those off, it's just perfect. But anyway, so let's get to the main part. So before we do anything in here, we need to undo the battery. So once we've undone the battery, we've got to undo these 2 screws. And then we can take the battery out just like that. Always unplug the battery before you do anything, otherwise there's a risk of electric shock. And be careful with the battery because otherwise you could puncture it. So now I'm going to do my lengthy process of undoing all of the ribbon cables. And make sure you've undone every single one, otherwise you'll end up maybe breaking one if you're completely tearing it down. Okay, so that looks like we've undone everything other than this network card. So let me explain what all of these things are. So here is our RAM up here. This is our display connector. That'll be our camera connector. Here's our Wi-Fi card with our antennas over here. It's quite finicky to put these back on, so be careful with them. Down here is our trackpad, our on and off indicator LED. These are our 2 magnets and our 2 speakers. Yeah, anything else? Yeah, I don't see anything else. So yeah, let's get on with the disassembly. So first, before you take out the network card, you'll need to take off these. And then you just unscrew like that, and then pull the network card out. So now that we've pulled the network card out, we can now, let's take this out. It's very annoying with this magnet here. Okay, let's try and do it without getting magnetized. Okay. Now if we don't need to take the ribbon cable with us. So here's our LED assembly. So now let's take out the... Are the speakers glued down? Yeah, they are. I'm not going to take those out today because this is a still working machine and I do need it for some videos. So if we just unscrew the trackpad here. Okay, but before you actually take out the trackpad, you have to take off all of this plastic shielding and also undo the ribbon cable down here, which I forgot to do. So now we can just, if I've done everything right, we can just lift out the trackpad, which is what I've done. So here's our trackpad. Let's pop it over here. Okay, so now let's get into taking off the screen, which is quite easy. All you need to do is unscrew these screws. In fact, let's make space for them over here. I can't actually take the board off because I stuffed up taking it off a screw one time and yeah, that didn't end so well. Okay, so now we've done that, let's move these cables and put the hinges like that and take off the screen. So yeah, that's really it for the disassembly. That's as far as I can go at the moment. I could do a screen disassembly if you want that. Comment down below if you do want that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So now it's time for a montage of me putting it back together. Yay! So finally it's finished, after I've spent like 15 minutes trying to fight with the network card. So yeah, it won't power on straight away. You have to actually plug it into a power adapter for that. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Follow us on Twitch at Computer Crunch, and I'll see you next time. Also, go to our other channels. They're great. Bye.